What's up, gang? What's up, gang? It's Wednesday afternoon. It's around 2 something, maybe like 2:20. Y'all see what we looking at in Chicago. Look bad, boy. It's the blizzard of 2022. The blizzard of February 2nd. Today, if I'm right, yeah. Today, February 2nd, 2022. The blizzard of February 2nd, 2022. I done seen the blizzard of 79 and every other blizzard after that. Because I was born in 75, so I got to see all the rest of them blizzards. So I done got to see a couple of them. Look at the cars, man. The cars getting stuck in the snow. And it's rough on the cars that's front wheel drive. It's real rough on them when you front wheel drive. But yeah, this started last night around 8 something on Tuesday. Today's what, Wednesday? Yeah, today Wednesday. Okay, yesterday was Tuesday. I'm sorry, y'all. I got my days messed up. Yeah, yesterday was Tuesday. It started snowing last night around 8 something. And shit, it ain't let up. Today, Wednesday, the news said it was supposed to start Tuesday night, go all the way through Wednesday, and stop Thursday morning. So, and the news ain't lying. This was a storm because it's still coming. Look, as you can see, it's still coming down now as we talking. If y'all can see in the background and look at the screen real close, you can see the little snow particles. Yep, still snowing. I just wanted to bring y'all this. Hope everybody having a blessed and safe day. And I hope for those of you out here that had to drive, I hope y'all out here being safe on the road because, man, it's bad out here. It's real bad here in Chicago. The news said that when we finish topping out, we should be topping out at shit close to 10 inches of snow, they say here. If you can look at the sidewalk down there and see, yeah, it's a lot of snow down there. Too bad don't none of my grandkids stay with me, because if some of my grandkids stayed with me, we could have went outside and made a snowman. But yeah, y'all, this snow real deep here in Chicago. Real deep. And as you can see, some of the cars out, look at the Impala at the corner. He finna get stuck trying to let that PT Cruiser come on through. And they finna get stuck. That big heavy duty Dodge right there, he ain't getting stuck. He going straight on through. Yeah. Well, as y'all can see, I just wanted to bring y'all this little video and let y'all see what it's like here in Chicago with all that snow. You see how that snow look down there? That snow deep than the motherfucker. Real deep. We get these once a year. Everybody complain about the snow. But shit, we get one of these snowstorms every year. For all the people they got plowing, snowing companies and stuff, they get it in once a year, real good. And I think they deserve this. We needed this. We needed this snow, man. People been hollering, man, we ain't getting it. Yeah, it's coming. And it came late. This is February. So we're going to have, next month is March. So we're going to have snow maybe in February and March. You know, it'll just start trying to warm up in April and then getting ready for my birthday in May. My birthday this year, well, my birthday is May 8th. But this year, my birthday, y'all, fall on Mother's Day again. Every couple years, I get my birthday on Mother's Day. So my birthday this year fall on Mother's Day. I'll be celebrating with my mama, but plus I'll be partying for my birthday. So shit. But y'all see it. It's a hot mess. Just look at the cars going through that corner down there. It's a hot mess. Look. It's a hot mess for everybody. And it's a real hot mess when the snow ain't shoveled, and people gotta walk. The streets ain't plowed, and people gotta drive down the streets getting stuck. But y'all see it. You see how, man, and these is big snowflakes. It's coming down here in the city. Chicago, southwest side. Yep. So I hope everybody's having a great day, a great prosperous day. I hope everybody's happy. Today, one of those days you just sit around the campfire, marshmallows, watch a couple movies, snuggle up with your boo thing. She snuggle up with her boo thing. You know, enjoy this good old snow that's out here. It's coming down too. But on that note, I'm gonna leave y'all with this game. Better yet, I'm gonna walk one. Y'all give me a minute. I'm gonna walk over to my other window. That's the big main window right there. Walk to the other window, let y'all. This what it look like on the other side. Shit. Look bad. Look real bad here in Chicago with all this snow. Cars getting stuck. See people putting chairs out there on the dibs, trying to keep their spot. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see this. I was gonna bring this to y'all last night, but my ankle was hurting, so I'm like, man, I ain't gotta wait till tomorrow. I had to do it. But with that said, gang, I'm about to close this video out. Thank y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions. Or if it's something that you would like to see me do, feel free. But y'all see them snowflakes. Look at them big snowflakes. All right, gang. We're about to go on and close it on out. Everybody have a blessed one. Love, peace, enjoy.